We made it.
We're here.
Apart from all the bad driving.
No limit. The Fitbits.
The colour's quite nice, but I think I'm going to go with black.
Yeah.
It just goes with everything.
Got it.
Woo woo.
Woo.
I can't wait. I just want to open it now. I don't even want to drive home. I just want to open it. Yes.
Yes.
So excited. Let's go open it.
It's gonna be cool.
We made it home and we're going to open it because I want it for work. So,
Indeed.
Ready? Yeah. ASMR. Oh. Damn it. Let's get this right here.
Yeah.
Yes. Yay, look at that. Check if it's the right size.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks like it'll be the right size though. Oh yeah, it's the right one. Excellent. It's perfect. Yay! Let's set it up.
Yeah.
I hope I don't have to charge it before I can use it today.
Probably not.
That would
Probably comes pre-charged.
Start, download the Fitbit app. Oh, I need my phone. I'm gonna unwrap this. Ready? It's hard to do.
Oh, satisfying.
Oh, that's an interesting charger. Like this.
Oh.
That's interesting. Make sure the screen turns on when you tap it. Or not. Maybe let's just charge it first.
Yeah. Yay! Plugged it in and it turned on.
Now I have to enter the number on my phone. So I'm going to enter it.
6774.
And I'm losing feeling in my legs.
Oh, there we go. Fitbit, yay! So the lady in the store said that it had just arrived, which means that the Fitbit comes with an empty battery.
Okay, well this might take 10 minutes, so we'll come back when it's almost done.
Indeed.
Done. Continue. Now for the fun. Walk through the basics. Yes. Bump, whack, or tap.
Oh, whack.
Whack. I don't really want to whack it, but you know. So that was nice and easy. Look at this, this is pretty cool. I can't wait to get started. Hello everyone, I'm back from work now and it has now been almost 12 hours since I put it on. As you can see, there it is. And it was great. It made work a whole lot more fun. I walk quite a lot for my job, so it was fun being able to track how far I went and to actually have a watch. Here is my Fitbit app and I will show you the stats that it recorded for me for today. There you go, I did 15,000 steps, which is about accurate. Walked 10.9 k's, etc, etc. It was pretty cool. Yeah, and you flushed the toilet in the background? What do you have to say for yourself? Now it is 10:35 and I'm going to sleep with it on and see how it tracks my sleep. I will update you in the morning. Well, that was unnecessary. It has been a few days since the last update. That is because work has just been busy and I thought I'd give it a couple of nights to try and see how it went. And honestly, my overall thoughts was that it was pretty good. It's pretty accurate. Let me show you on the screen what my stats were for the last 2 nights. So here is my main Fitbit page, and I'm going to scroll down to where it says all about my sleep. And here we are. This is the page up top. There are a couple of bars to show you how much you slept, what your sleep schedule was like, and the different stages of sleep that you were in. Now we are back at the main page. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it'll show you your sleep stats for the week. So this was my first night. And if we go up into the little arrows at the top here, it'll show you your sleep patterns. So how long you were asleep, restless, and awake for. If we now pop out of that one and go down, it'll show you what time you went to sleep, what time you woke up, and your sleep quality stats. If we go out of here now and we go into last night's, I got a little bit less sleep, 8 hours 23 minutes, but that's still at the 8-hour mark, and it shows me all of the same stats here. I'd like to know what your thoughts are on the Fitbit, because I have done a little bit of research on them, and some people say they're excellent, they're great, and they swear by them, and then on the other hand, some people think they're just toys. So I would love to know what you think about it. So far, my impression is that I love it. It's not obviously going to be amazingly accurate, but it's good for fun, to be honest, because I mean, I'm not really a fitness person. I just like to see, you know, how active I'm being, and the sleep thing it's kind of fun. So yeah, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. I don't know if we've said it before in this video, we may have, we may not have, but we will be using this Fitbit for like our geocaching videos, and just I would like to keep you updated on what it's like throughout all of our videos, so stay tuned for that. That concludes the review. I'm headed out tonight, as you can tell, and I'm going to wear it as an accessory. Make sure to like this video if you did and give it a thumbs up, and we will see you next time. Bye!